Hey, welcome back to a brand new vlog of Podcast Note. This is Utsav with my wife Urvi, and today we are in Shillong, Meghalaya doing a food exploration.
And if you like our channel, please do subscribe to us. And let's go on a food tour today.
We have a nice and shiny morning in Shillong, and today we are out for a food exploration. We'll start with a breakfast from a PJ Bakery stall here in Shillong in Lower Lamachar area with slices of pizza, 2 chicken pie and 2 lemon pie. Looks tempting, so let me start with the slice of pizza. Slices of chicken and roasted onions that has been topped with loads of cheese. The bread is really fresh. That's the way to go for a breakfast. Up next we have this lovely chicken pie. They are my favorite. Very fresh. Loads of chicken, onions and a hell lot of creamy filling inside. A fresh loaf of bread. We'll end the breakfast with a lovely lemon pie. Again, very fresh. I think the bakeries here are really famous. Not too much lemon, not too much sharp taste, just a hint. Very balanced in taste. Perfect. We are in Smoky Falls Tribe Coffee. This is a coffee shop. It's a coffee shop at the corner of Police Bazaar.
We have ordered one mocha with lots of hot chocolate and a cappuccino with some chocolate eclairs.
I went for the mocha this time. I thought of doing a departure from the old dark coffee, and this mocha tastes really well with the creamy chocolatey flavor.
I have my cappuccino. Very strong coffee. I love the taste of this. It's really good. What do you say?
Yeah, I really love this.
Yeah, and this place is really cozy and small, but the coffee is fantastic. And it is just at the Police Bazaar circle. So it's at a popular place and very good for a small break. So we have an eclair as well. Very creamy from inside and the chocolate topping on top. It's very nice and a very good combination with the bread. The bread is also really soft. I like it.
Would you mind lending a bite?
Yeah, try it. It's really good actually.
Nice evening in Shillong. It's little chilly out here. We had our round of caffeine, and from here we go to the next stop, the next cafe. We have literally walked 2 minutes and we are here at the EC restaurant. This is our next stop. It's also in Police Bazaar. It's very famous. Let's just go and check some of the bakery items. We have ordered assorted pastries. We have a donut, a rum ball and their specialty, the cream one. First let me taste the donut. Just look at this powdered sugar. Really lip smacking with so much sugar and coconut sprinkled on top. And the dough is really soft. Wow, these are very soft. So up next we go for the specialty. We go for the cream bun. Really delicious with that whipped cream inside. Creamy inside with very soft bread covering it. That's really fascinating. That really brings the child in me.
So let me try that rum ball. I actually love rum balls, so I had to get it. Let me taste it. Really lots of rum in it. And the flavor of the chocolate and the rum is very nice. It's making a good combination. And the amount of rum they have used is on the higher side. And generally you do not get that. But this one is amazing.
Next we are going for some authentic Khasi food experience. We have arrived at Trattoria restaurant in Police Bazaar for our authentic Jado experience. We have ordered the pot thali. There is a variety of authentic dishes on the plate. We have the jado rice at the center with some pork on top. Then we have some smashed potatoes, some veggies and a special banana flour preparation. More pork, I guess that's dojam. Some tongue tap, that's a fermented fish preparation. And definitely some hot, spicy, tasty chutneys. We have already tried Jado in Shillong in Police Bazaar. That was a street food version, but this preparation is a more authentic experience. First, I'll go for the tongue tup. It's a fermented fish preparation along with some Jado rice. Wow, fermented freshwater fish and lots of onion, generating great flavor. The Jado has hints of ginger, onion, cinnamon in there. I'll go for some more pork. This one is pork dojam. I think there is some pork innards in it. Pork innards along with the rice is making a very good combination. There are some veggie dishes as well. They are nice departure to the porky flavor. Now it's time for the meatball. These are deep fried meatballs, crispy and soft at the same time. See how they break. Wow. Had to go for those pork meatballs. They looked outstanding the way it is. It's fried meatball. You'll definitely like it if you like fried things. It has a hint of that pork flavor because it's a pork meatball. Really wonderful.
The banana flower is a vegetable that they have given is very tasty. I love the taste and it has a lot of green chili. So that's a very different flavor, but I liked it. And also the radish that they have made mixing some of the herbs, I think that is also very good. And the best part of it was the pork meatball. It was really amazing. It stole the show. It's also a small, nice and cozy eatery. After that authentic dish, now it is time for some sweets.
We are here in Delhi Mishtana Bhandar in Police Bazaar in Shillong. We got ourselves aloo chop, chana jalebi, a special sweet, that's what it's called, and rasmalai.
I have a bunch of sweets in front of me. I was craving sweets so much because since we have come to Northeast, that is what I have noticed, that Northeast is not much on sweets. So when we saw Delhi Mishtana Bhandar, we ordered so much sweets. First up is aloo chop. Spicy potato filling with crunchy outer coating. The taste is very nice. Next up, let's go for the chana jalebi. Very soft and not much on the sweeter side and yet very good.
That's a nice bite of rasmalai. It's very creamy and it does have a flavor of the pistachio. The milk is very flavorful with small cottages balls that have been soaked and dripping with that soup. That's fantastic. Now the special sweet. It's called special sweet. Had to be special. It was wrapped up in those leaves and we really thought that it's very good looking. It's nice, juicy and soft inside with chum chum kind of flavor. On top they have added a coating of kheer. Wow, that really made our day.
Let's go to flavors for some evening snacks. With hot coffee, we have some chicken pakoda. It's really crispy and really tasty. Not at all spicy, very nice.
It's really addictive, right?
Yeah, it's really addictive actually. And the cost here is also very reasonable. Each of the items are only 30 rupees and the coffee is also 30 rupees. So it's a very nice spot to have some evening snacks.
Now let's move to the Wok restaurant for dinner and we have ordered a Wok special fried rice with chunks of prawn, pork, chicken and egg, and along with it we have an American chopsy. Wow, super excited.
By the looks of it, it looks very nice with lots of chicken and vegetables and that poached egg on top. Let me taste it. The taste is very yummy. It has a tangy flavor to it. The veggies are well cooked and very soft. Let me taste the chicken. The chicken is also very soft, very well cooked. I am loving this flavor. It's a thumbs up from my side.
We have some specialty fried rice, the wok fried rice. I just can't wait to taste this one. It has been really fried very well, and there is a combination of multiple flavors. I can taste the meat, I can taste the egg, there are a lot of vegetables in it, and then there is the rice which has been fried so well. It is so well prepared, so well fried that this is really a specialty. Whoa, we had a sumptuous meal at the wok, and we are really filled after that heavy meal. And today we are going to end our vlog here on that sumptuous note. If you like our content, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note, and do stay tuned as we go bonkers again in the next one.